What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to create a A5 size document in Canva. So the first step is open Canva, log into your account, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now the next step is to basically go to the home page and select create new design. What we will do next is search for A5. Once you have done that, you will find different options. If you would like to use a landscape design, so a horizontal design, then you can choose for this one. If you would like to have a vertical document, then you can select this one. Now we will select this one, and now you can change everything you want, and you have successfully created a A5 size document in Canva. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!